This video is a basic overview of how to work with tasks in Dendry. When you first sign up for Dendry, you'll be taken to your dashboard. A prior video went over the basic components of this. As you can see, on your dashboard, you have a Kanban board. There's not much going on here. So if you want to set it up the way it's going to work for you, the first thing you're going to want to do is add a new lane. Let's just make it simple to do. As you see, inbox will always be on your left, done will always be on your furthest right. Any lanes you add, you can remove, you can reorder. We're going to add on fire here and change your layout as long as it's between inbox and done. Let's create our first task. Hit return and it will populate in. Now by default, I have this as a new user set up for the expanded view. In your profile settings, you can change that so that these default to condensed view or even our list view. And on matters, we have a Gantt view as well, if you're so inclined. The big difference, the expanded view, you can see a little more detail on what's going on with the task. And condensed gives you more space if your boards really start to fill up. Now that task that I created also creates down in your history view. This too can be condensed or expanded. The history is going to include not only your tasks, but also any notes, calendar entries, documents, or other elements in Dendry that you're a part of. On your dashboard, by default, this is only going to show things that you're assigned or you've created. These can also be filtered by title, type of element, users assigned, labels, subtasks, only subtasks. And you can do the same up here on the board with a slightly different filter that adds date created, due date, start date, also allows you to show archives. Archives are important because sometimes when you finish a task, you may not want to look at it forever. By default, any tasks you move to done stay in done, and that can help people get a sense of satisfaction, a sense of accomplishment, but eventually you may just not want to look at it anymore. You can click these three dots and you can archive the task. You can also do that in here with the archive button. So we're going to archive that now. You can see it's labeled archived. You don't see it anymore. If you did that by mistake or you need to bring something back, that's what show archive tasks is for. So just like that, you can see it's archived, and we can restore from archive if we did that by mistake.